Hello and welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're taking a look at the greatest paint sprayers of 2024. Our specialists evaluate more than a dozen individual models for this video, paying particular attention to details like spray consistency and suitability for various paints and stains. They also give careful consideration to usage, including ergonomics, the ability to operate a sprayer upside down, and other factors. So, let's get started right away. VONFORN. The top-selling VONFORN 700-watt paint sprayer is the first product on our list. This one has 4 different nozzle sizes, 1, 1.5, 2, and 3 mm, that are suitable for painting most furniture, pickups, walls, doors, patio tables, chairs, and other surfaces. It can be used in a variety of application circumstances since it has 3 various spray patterns that can be adjusted horizontally, vertically, and circular. And to get a better surface spraying result, you can use the paint sprayer's dust blowing joint to remove any dust or debris from the surface before you start spraying. To easily remove the paint residue within the pipe after spraying, attach the cleaning connector to the faucet. Additionally, the flow control knob here can also be adjusted to fit a broad range of applications, controlling the quantity of paint produced. Likewise, appropriate management of paint flow can deliver better results and prevent paint waste in accordance with various spraying effect requirements. Wagner SprayTech 242-2951. The Wagner SprayTech 242-2951 is the second option. With the help of HEA technology, this paint sprayer can reduce overspray by up to 55% while producing a softer spray that is easier to manage and yields a more uniform finish. As a power tank airless paint sprayer, it is compatible with a wide range of unthinned paints and stains for both interior and outdoor applications. And the gravity feeding allows for quick, mess-free priming and cleaning. While a 12-inch extension wand is included, giving you the extra reach to spray under decks, over tall walls or ceilings, under eaves on the outside of a home, and other areas. Additionally, a 413 spray tip for stain application and a 515 spray tip for latex paint application are included, with a 25-foot hose and a capacity of up to 1.5 gallons of material. This stationary paint sprayer allows you to effortlessly finish large tasks without having to stop. All things considered, it's ideal for staining a sizable deck, painting the outside of your house, and more. Filovka. Next up is the cordless paint sprayer from Filovka. The paint sprayer is an excellent tool to have around the house for a variety of painting tasks, such as painting ceilings, walls, and furniture, using both water and oil-based paints. Its Milwaukee tools includes a high-power brushless motor that could minimize noise and increase operating time. It also comes with a viscosity cup that can hold paint and has a maximum viscosity of 40 din per second and an airflow of 160 liters per minute. These features will help you save a ton of time and do your project more quickly. Additionally, the trigger back's flow adjustment knob controls the several fluids' respective flow rates. With only a little adjustment to the air cap ears, you can effortlessly create 3 distinct spray patterns: vertical, horizontal, and round. The paint sprayer comes preloaded with 4 different size nozzles: 1, 1.8, 2.5, 3.0, and 2.5 mm. And its flexible choices also make painting projects easier and more efficient to finish. Silvel. The Silvel airless paint sprayer comes next. This airless paint sprayer is the perfect solution for painting home exteriors, fences, decks, garages, and more. Because of its design, you can paint 3 times as quickly as with a roller, saving you a ton of time and work. The paint sprayer's convenient wheels and handles make it easy to move about, which makes it the perfect tool to have on hand while painting big or several rooms. What I like most about this sprayer is that every time we tested it, it delivered high-quality finishes that are difficult to accomplish with conventional painting techniques. And this quality makes it a preferred choice among professional painters and contractors. Even better, it performs admirably with a variety of paint and coating mediums, such as lacquers, latex, enamels, and stains. It's a flexible option for both professional painters and do-it-yourselfers, thanks to its compatibility. TaskStar HVLP. Moving on, we have the TaskStar HVLP paint sprayer. So, what distinguishes this sprayer from other options? With this cordless paint sprayer, which is powered by 2 huge 4000 mAh batteries, you can experience uninterrupted painting sessions. With a 500-watt brushless motor that runs silently and produces strong spraying capabilities, it offers exceptional performance. It also gives you the flexibility to walk freely and reach every nook without being restricted by wires because of its cordless design. Compared to typical 1-liter alternatives, this sprayer's roomy 1.7-liter paint cartridge enables extended usage. And to increase production and efficiency, you can paint for longer periods of time and reload for shorter periods of time. Your painting tool's lifespan and safety are also guaranteed by its overload, overvoltage, and overcharge protection. Synbolt. Lastly, we have the paint sprayer by Synbolt. 3 distinct spray modes are available for this paint gun: circular, vertical, and horizontal. A 180-degree adjustable spray width knob is a part of the distinctive design, allowing for finer spray effects. Complete with 4 sizes of pure copper nozzles, 1, 1.8, 2.5, and 3 mm, it can be used for a wide range of paint spraying tasks, including DIY crafts, furniture, decks, fences, walls, and garage doors. Its strong motor ensures consistent and heat-resistant paint spraying thanks to its upper and lower double ball bearing design. With a compact 2-meter power cord for spraying, this paint sprayer is easy enough for novices to use. This electric paint sprayer also features an adjustable flow button, a 180-degree spray knob, and 4 different nozzle diameters, providing 3 distinct angle spray forms. It is appropriate for both undiluted wood paint and diluted latex paint, with a maximum capacity of 1,200 milliliters. Smooth and even spray effect is produced. Its flow control knob can be used to modify the paint output. Rotating the spray pot is not necessary for its effortless installation and disassembly, which can be accomplished with only 1 key. It is therefore practical to use and clean. And once you've read the handbook, even a novice like you can get started with ease. And that concludes our video. We really hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications when we release more hot reviews, click on the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.